Hello and welcome to the Faculty Multimedia Center's Quick Start Guide on the DJI OM5 Phone Gimbal. The OM5 is an easy-to-use stabilizer designed to help capture clean and smooth smartphone footage anywhere. This tutorial will cover using the gimbal without the DJI Mimo App, which is not required for use. Your first step is to remove everything out of the bag. You'll have the gimbal, tripod legs, a magnetic phone clamp, and a USB-A to USB-C charging cord. From there, screw the tripod into the bottom of the gimbal and unfold the gimbal arm. Place your phone into the magnetic phone clamp. Look for the camera icon on the clamp indicating the direction your phone should be. Make sure it's centered as well. It should secure snugly around your smartphone. In some cases, your phone case may be too thick, in turn, preventing the clamp from securing tightly around the device. Once your phone is secure, line up the marks on the phone clamp with the marks on the clamp mounting plate. Gently attach the two, letting the magnets do the work. If you want to extend your gimbal and have more distance, grab the bottom of the gimbal arm at the top of the handle. Pull up until the extension rod stops. Now extended, you can also adjust the angle of the arm from 0 to 90 degrees. Now let's talk about buttons. Hold down the power button, the M button, until the gimbal dings on and the battery level lights appear. The number of lights will indicate how much charge the gimbal has. Plug in the charging cord to the USB-C port on the right side if needed. 2 taps of the M button and the gimbal will enter safety mode. This is a safety feature that disables the gimbal motors to prevent damage if the device is turned on while the phone is improperly balanced, obstructed, or if the magnetic clamp is not positioned correctly. And it'll also save the battery. 2 taps of the circular arrow icon will switch between horizontal and portrait positioning. The joystick controls the pan and tilt of the gimbal. If you want to recenter the gimbal, double tapping the trigger will do just that. Pressing and holding the trigger will lock its orientation as you move. This keeps the camera pointing in a constant fixed direction, regardless of how the handle moves. This prevents shaky footage and maintains a smooth, level horizon. The other buttons on the gimbal will only work if you have installed and paired the gimbal to your phone through the DJI Mimo app. When finished with your recording, disassemble the gimbal in the reverse order you assembled it in. Your content will be found in the native photo gallery app on your phone, just like the pictures and videos you normally take. We recommend using the OneDrive app to easily move your content to the cloud, so it's easier to access when editing on your computer later on. For more information or assistance, visit the Faculty Multimedia Center or email us at fmc@ucf.edu.